the next assignment is graphing standard review, and the directions say to sketch the graph of each line. So looking at it, we're going to have to go from standard to slope-intercept form, so we can find the M and the B to be able to graph it. So I'm going to come over here and rewrite the equation so I have plenty of room to solve it. And I'm going to draw a line down the equal sign, and I want to move 7x, so I subtract it from both sides. Bring down the negative 1y. And we can't combine these because one is a variable and one does not. So we have to just rewrite it. Now we have to divide everything by negative 1. And so we have y equals positive 7x plus 2. So we can easily determine that our m is 7 over 1 and the b is positive 2. We always start our graph at the b, which is the y-intercept, or the beginning point. So that means we're going to start right here at the positive 2 on the y. Our slope is 7 over 1, and it's positive. I might even draw a little picture so I know the direction my graph should go. Because I don't have room to go up 7, I'm going to go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And to the left, 1. And that's the only mark I'm going to be able to make on this one. And then, using a straight edge, you can connect your points. Question 2. I'm going to rewrite the equation and solve for y. Bring down the y. And I can get my m is negative 1 over 1. And if there's not a variable, if there's not a coefficient there, you have to put a 1. And the b equals positive 1. So we start at the beginning point, which is positive 1. And then we're going to go, and I can make a picture so I know what the graph should look like. Down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. I can even go back and go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Connect the points. And I have my graph. Question 3. Sorry. 4x plus y equals 5. Minus 4x on both sides. Bring down the y. Negative 4x plus 5. So my m is negative 4 over 1, and the b is positive 5. So I'm going to count up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where my beginning point will be. And it's negative slope, so I'm going to draw a picture so I know what the line should look like. I'm going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to the right, 1. And do it again. Oh, I put a positive picture. That one should be a negative picture. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And that's as far as I can go. I connect my points and extend it for my line. Question 4 is a special one. X equals negative 3. If it's x equals, we know what the graph's going to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and graph it. On the x-axis, I'm going to go to negative 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to draw a vertical line. And remember, the vertical line, the slope is undefined because we cannot walk it. It's the only time M and B are words. Rewrite the problem. Minus 6x minus 6x. I should know my line. Negative 5y equals negative 6x plus 20. And then I have to divide everything by negative 5. And that cancels. And we have y equals positive 6 over 5x minus, because there's a minus there, 4. So my m is 6 over 5, and my b is negative 4. And that will be a positive slope, so it's going to go uphill. I'm going to start at the negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the y-axis. Then I'm going to go up 6 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would be my graph. Question 5. X plus y equals negative 4. X plus y equals negative 4. I'm going to subtract x. And I have y equals negative 1x minus 4. So my m is negative 1 over 1, downhill. And the b equals negative 4. I'm going to go to negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 for my beginning point. And then it's a downhill, so I'm going to go down 1 over 1, and I'm down over again. I'm going to go back to my original point and go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and I can actually keep going until I run out of room on the graph. Then I can connect my points. Question 7, x plus 4y equals 20. Draw line minus the x value again. 4y equals negative 1x plus 20. Divide everything by 4. So y equals negative 1 over 4x plus 5. So m equals negative 1/4 and b equals 5. So I'm going to start at the 5, positive 5, and I'm going to go in a downward direction because it is a negative slope. So I'm going to go down 1 over 4, and that's as far as I'll be able to go. Number 8. Question 8, 7x minus 2y equals negative 6. We're going to solve for y. Minus 7x minus 7x. Negative 2y equals negative 7x minus 6. Divide everything by negative 2. Y equals 7 over 2x plus 3. M equals 7 over 2, so it's going to go uphill. B equals 3. B is where we're going to start. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and start there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And to the left, 1, 2. And we can connect our points. Get it? For question number 9, I'm going to skip some steps and go ahead and go right to the m. So m equals 10 over 3, b equals 5. I'm going to start off the 5 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And because it's positive, 1, 2, 3. And there's the graph. Number 10, the m equals 2/5. B equals 3. I'm going to graph it starting at the 3. And it's positive 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Connect. Question 11, y equals negative 2. This is a special one. M equals 0. B equals negative 2, because if we go to y equals negative 2, it's right here. And no slope means we can walk on it because it's a number, so it's a horizontal line. And number 12, after you solve for y, you get m equals negative go